Now, if you haven't been paying attention to website speed, I guarantee you're leaving both traffic and money on the table. Website speed is one of the first things we fix for clients because it brings human benefits almost immediately and Google search traffic benefits 4 to 6 weeks down the line. First of all, let's talk about the immediate human benefits. Every 1 second delay in your website's load time reduces conversion by 7%. On top of that, you have less than 5 seconds to engage visitors before they leave. So if your load time's higher than 5 seconds, you are losing a lot of money. Now, Google also made this a confirmed ranking factor. This is important because Google don't confirm many ranking factors, but website speed is one of them. They've also doubled down with this recently by announcing that the Core Web Vitals report is going to be part of the search algorithm soon. And if you look in Google Search Console, you can come to this report, Core Web Vitals, and see how you're performing right now. Now, you want to focus on mobile, and the reason you want to focus on mobile for performance is because Google are now using mobile first indexing. So if you come to Google Search Console and settings, you will see if your indexing crawler is using Googlebot Smartphone or not. If it is, which it more than likely is, and if it's not, it will be in the near future. Google are switching everyone to mobile first indexing. But what that means is that the performance of your desktop site is judged by the performance of your mobile site. So if your mobile site is slow and sluggish, it will restrict your desktop site's ability to rank in the desktop search results. So we need to pay attention to that. We can use a tool called Batch Speed to check this in bulk. What this tool does is go out to Google Page Speed Insights and does batch testing across all your URLs. Now, what we're looking for here is to see mobile page speed scores of 60 and above. Here you'll see we're posting less than 20 most of the time, not good. And you'll see that we're posting desktop scores in the mid-40s when really they should be 90 and above. Now, I highly suggest you go do this test right now. If you're not seeing mobile scores of 60 and above and you're not seeing desktop scores of 90 and above, you are leaving money and search traffic on the table. No doubt about it. Now, drilling into Google page speed scores, you can kind of see why there are issues, and I'm going to talk to you about how to fix the issues in a little moment. But I want to just be absolutely clear that Google Page Speed Insights is not the be-all and end-all of metrics. What really matters is how your site actually performs in the real world. Sure, having a nice score is fancy and all of that, but we want to use webpagetest.org to make sure that we're delivering load times under 5 seconds, ideally 3. Now, 3 is very hard to achieve, but if you can get under 5, that's a sweet spot. Here you can see we're loading in nearly 12 on the home page, and an important inner category page, nearly 13. So we're quite far away from where we need to be on our target site here. How to fix it? Well, I've got a tutorial on my blog, hitmatthewwoodward.co.uk, the SEO section, website speed on the right, and I show you 6 free ways that you can increase website speed. Takes a couple of hours to do, and yeah, it's nothing but a bit of elbow grease, and the benefits are immediate. Now, in the case of our target site, thefurnituremarket.co.uk, this is a bit harder to optimize because it's built on Magento 2, and you know, if it's built on WordPress or WooCommerce, we have tons of options available for site speed, but Magento 2 and Shopify and OpenCart and other things like that, our choices are limited. But NitroPack's great. It has a Magento module, and you can see if we just run this test what it does for our page speed scores. Let me come back here. Here we can see the results of the score. So before we were getting mobile page speed scores of 17, with NitroPack 83. before on desktop 46, after 90. So NitroPack brings us where we need to be. And what's great about NitroPack is that it takes a few moments to set up. You just sign up, plug your website in, and you instantly fix all of your site speed issues. But it does cost money. So if you are on a budget and you're seeing page speed scores like this and web page speed scores like this, please follow my free recommendations in the tutorial. It will get you about 80% of where you need to be, and in some cases all of the way. So that's why site speed is critically important. It's a ranking factor for humans and it's a ranking factor for search engines. So make sure you take care of it.